I've shown this to a couple of different AP users in particular, but it's really ubiquitous as far as where it can be used. And that is the ability in this window here to be able to sort on a number of these columns at the top. So most commonly sort by columns is the status, which would obviously in this case group my workflow assignments, AP invoices, but what we're looking at, into the various statuses. So if I knew in the morning coming into work I need to hit every new invoice, I could sort by status and just go and open all these new invoices up and then work through them. Along with status, and they're kind of synonymous, the way that we generally engineer workflows is that the status is controlled by workflow. So you can also sort by step name, which it'll just, once again, it'll group the invoices into the various steps in the workflow. Like I said, workflow generally controls status value, so those two will be interlinked anyway. An example that I was asked about when I ran through this with one of my lovely customers down south was, she said to me, hey, when I come in, often I'll be told, get all the XYZ vendor invoices processed this morning because we've got a credit issue. So obviously I could come over here and sort by vendor, and then that would group all of my, DISR invoices together. So I straight away, I just go tick, 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 open those and process them, and away we go. I've done what I needed to do. Because obviously I had those workflow assignments. To take that a step further, and this is actually what I showed her. I showed her, one option is to do this. The other option is to come up here to search. So in this case, I've only got 22 assignments logged in as administrator. In her case, they're a very big company that processes a lot of invoices every month. She has literally hundreds of assignments at any point in the day. So if she came into her workflow, she can now click on search up the top, and he will actually search for a vendor, and we'll grab that one, DISR, and go search, and it filters my assignments. So now I'm only looking at the assignments for that vendor. If I go back to search, you've got all the various metadata fields that you would normally be able to search on in here. So maybe, maybe my task is to action all invoices from this vendor in a particular date range. So we need to clear out anything older than, the first of this month or whatever it might be. So you can filter your assignments list by using that search button at the top there.